And as you see here, again, I'm just going to keep calling this out. My car gets super confused with the residential roads by my house, and it frequently wants to go to 30 miles per hour, or my offset, which is higher, like 34 miles per hour. So that always requires me to down select the speed. One workaround for this is setting the adjustment, like the offset at a negative percentage. But I don't really want to do that because that creates other problems when you're actually using regular autopilot. For the longest time, I just was thinking maybe Tesla could have a different speed offset for FSD and one for Vision Autopilot. But now, since they're so close to joining, the two stacks and having a single stack, FSD solution going forward, I don't think that's going to happen. So, in the meantime, I have to constantly adjust the speed. I've gone through every feedback loop I can think of with Tesla. So, anybody out there that has any other ideas of places to submit a bug report for the broken speed limits around Minneapolis, I would be all ears, because it's super annoying and it causes constant issues with FSD around Minneapolis that have been there for basically the last year or so. And what's so frustrating is, like, they're really avoidable. I mean, if they even just gave the public the option to submit bug reports for the speed limit data, this issue could have been fixed a long time ago, because I've reported this over 10 times to them via numerous email distribution lists that I found, support, Twitter, you name it, I've tried it. So anyways.